So this is the culprit here. Yep. Let's inspect it and see what we can do to fix the problem. Yeah. Nothing is vibrating in here. This is all good. Yep. All right. Okay, so this is just riveted in here. You can see the problem. And even though this is somewhat tight, I think we can at least try to tighten those rivets just a little bit more. See if that'll solve the issue. Yeah. All right, let's do that. All right, so I'm gonna just try this punch. And I don't know. I want to get too aggressive with this thing and start breaking things because these may not be the strongest things here, so. You kidding me? Is that it? Wow. Let's do all of them. I'm feeling generous. See here, this is just very soft metal, obviously. I don't want the thing to move at all. Yeah, that took care of it. Love it. Okay. Wow. It's always a good day when you have to hit something with a hammer. Cool. And reinstallation is really basic. I don't know if I can do it one-handed, but I'll try. All we have to do is position these big tabs inside the this ring here. So you want to be centered. I don't think I'm going to be able to do it one-handed, but there we go.